mayroon na naman tayong magic tricks guys. Tanggalin natin yung dalawang joker guys. Katin natin guys. Ngayon guys, atin natin sa 4 na files. Buksan natin yung top card niya guys. Yung naka face up card guys, dadagdagan natin hanggang ang value niya 10, 9, 10, 10. Hindi natin dadagdagan guys kasi 10 na siya. 8, 9, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Buksan natin yung top card niya guys. Puro alas ito guys. Puro ace. Ito naman guys, tatlo sa taas guys. 10 guys, 10. The magician is always correct guys. Thank you for watching guys.